Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Super English Lessons, the funniest way to learn English while laughing at our daily lives.
Yeah, today's topic is my daily routine, or as I call it, how to survive from morning to night without losing your socks.
Perfect. So today, we'll talk about our day, from waking up to going to bed. You'll learn many new words and phrases. And remember, repeat after us, okay?
Ready? Let's start with the morning, my favorite time to ignore the alarm clock.
Okay, everyone. Morning. Repeat after me. Morning. I wake up in the morning. Good morning.
Or in my case, oh no, it's morning.
Tom, tell us your morning story.
Okay, story time. Yesterday morning, my alarm clock rang at 7 a.m., but I was sure it was a dream. I hit snooze 5 times. Then I woke up suddenly at 8:15, looked at the clock, and said, I'm late. I jumped out of bed, ran to the bathroom, brushed my teeth with my eyes closed, and almost used shaving cream instead of toothpaste.
Oh no, minty fresh face.
Yeah, and my cat just watched me like, you're a disaster, Tom.
Okay, everyone. Repeat after me. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
And don't forget, I tried not to use shaving cream on my teeth.
Excellent, students. You're doing great. Now, Anna, how about your morning? My morning is peaceful. At first, I wake up at 6:30, open the window, take a deep breath, and say, today will be a great day. Then I go to the bathroom, look in the mirror, and see my hair, and I change my mind. It looks like a bird made a nest there overnight.
Bird hotel on your head.
Exactly. Then I take a shower, hot shower, and while I'm singing, my shampoo bottle falls down every time. It's like a rock concert in the bathroom.
You should sell tickets for that.
Okay, repeat after me, friends. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I dry my hair. I get dressed.
And don't forget to sing in the shower. It's good for your English pronunciation.
Yes, sing in English, even if your neighbors complain.
All right, time for getting dressed. My favorite challenge. Every morning, I can't find my socks. One sock disappears every day. I think there's a sock monster living in my washing machine.
Poor socks.
Yeah, yesterday I wore one black and one blue. At work, my boss said, Tom, are you starting a new fashion trend? I said, yes, it's called panic dressing.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I get dressed. I put on my clothes. I wear a shirt and pants. I put on my shoes.
And don't forget the socks.
Yeah. Now let's talk about breakfast.
My favorite part of the day.
Me too. I usually eat toast, eggs, and drink coffee. I sit by the window and check my phone. But sometimes my cat jumps on the table and drinks my milk. So I drink coffee and he drinks milk.
Teamwork.
Okay, repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I eat eggs and toast. Breakfast is important.
Great. Now, my breakfast story. So, last week, I decided to be healthy. I made oatmeal, but I forgot about it and left it on the stove. 10 minutes later, I came back and my oatmeal looked like a brick. I tried to eat it. I almost broke my spoon.
That's not breakfast. That's construction material.
Exactly. I invented oat cement.
Okay, now after breakfast, we go to work.
Yes, time for the commute, or as I call it, the battle of the traffic.
I take the bus to work. I like looking out the window. But one day, I fell asleep and missed my stop. I woke up at the bus station at the end of the line. I said, "Good morning, driver. I think I live here now."
You moved to the bus.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I go to work. I take the bus. I walk to the bus stop. I'm going to work.
And sometimes I run to work because I'm late.
Tell them your work story, Tom.
Oh, yes. One morning, I arrived late to work again. I tried to sneak in quietly, but my bag got caught on the door and spilled my lunch everywhere. Everyone saw. My boss said, "Nice entrance, Tom." I said, "It's performance art."
You're unbelievable. Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I start work at 9. I work hard. I have a meeting. I talk to my coworkers.
And sometimes I spill my lunch.
Now it's lunchtime.
Finally! I usually eat lunch at the cafe near my office. But last time I tried a new soup. It looked normal, but when I tasted it, spicy volcano. I drank 3 glasses of water and still couldn't stop saying, "Wow!"
Fire in your mouth.
Yeah, the waiter said, "Sir, it's called dragon soup." Now I know why.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I eat lunch. I drink water. The food is spicy. I like soup and salad.
Or as I say, I survive lunch.
Okay, after lunch, we go back to work. I usually feel sleepy, so I drink a little coffee. But one day, I drank too much. I was typing so fast that my keyboard almost caught fire. My coworkers said, "Anna, are you coding the Matrix?"
Coffee power.
Okay, repeat after me. I work in the afternoon. I drink coffee. I feel tired after lunch. I finish work at 5.
Good job, everyone. You're learning so fast. You're amazing.
Yes, you're doing great. We're proud of you.
All right, time to go home. I leave work and get into my car. I play loud music and sing. But last week, I was singing so loud that when I stopped at the traffic light, people in the next car clapped. I said, "Thank you," like a superstar.
You had a concert in traffic.
Yeah, my first road show.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I go home. I drive my car. I listen to music. I sing songs.
You guys sound great already.
At home, I cook dinner. I like pasta or soup. But sometimes I'm too tired, so I just make tea and eat cookies.
Dinner of champions.
Yes. Okay, repeat after me. I cook dinner. I eat pasta. I drink tea. I like cookies.
My dinner story? Oh, it's a good one. I tried to cook spaghetti once. I forgot to break the pasta. It didn't fit in the pot. Half of it was cooking, the other half was still dry. It looked like a pasta fence.
Pasta fence. Oh, Tom.
When I finally ate it, half was soft, half was crunchy. I call it spaghetti surprise.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I eat dinner. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes.
Or sometimes I just pretend the dishes don't exist.
After dinner, I relax. I read a book or watch TV. But last night, I fell asleep with my book on my face. I woke up at 2 a.m. thinking the book was attacking me.
That's what I call bedtime reading.
Okay, repeat after me. I relax. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed.
My bedtime is funny. I always say, I'll go to bed early. Then I check my phone. One video, then another. Suddenly, it's 1 a.m.
Oh, the classic one more video.
Exactly. My phone is stronger than my willpower.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I go to sleep. I sleep in my bed. Good night.
Good night or good scroll.
And that's the end of our day, from morning to night. You guys did fantastic. You learned so many new words today. Wake up, brush, shower, dress, eat, work, relax, sleep. Wow!
You guys are amazing, everyone. Give yourself a big smile and say, I did it.
And remember, English is fun when you laugh and learn.
Exactly. See you next time on Speak Easy English.
Good night, sleep tight, and don't forget your socks.
Bye, everyone. Sweet dreams.
Bye-bye.